Configuring Paddle subscription management is a straightforward process that allows you to effectively manage your recurring payments and customer subscriptions. To begin, you need to create a Paddle account and set up your product, including pricing plans and payment options. First, navigate to the Paddle dashboard and click on the Products tab. Then select the product you want to configure subscription management for. In the product settings, scroll down to the subscription section and toggle the subscription switch to enable it. Next, configure your subscription plans, including the billing cycle, trial period, and pricing. You can choose from various billing cycles, such as monthly or annually, and set up a trial period to allow customers to test your product before committing to a paid subscription. After setting up your subscription plans, you need to configure your payment options, including payment methods and currencies. Paddle supports multiple payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal, and allows you to accept payments in various currencies. To manage customer subscriptions, navigate to the Customers tab in the Paddle dashboard, where you can view and manage all your customers' subscriptions. You can filter subscriptions by status, such as active or canceled, and perform actions like updating subscription plans or canceling subscriptions. Best practices for configuring Paddle subscription management include setting clear and transparent pricing plans, providing a seamless payment experience, and offering flexible subscription options to meet the needs of your customers. Additionally, make sure to test your subscription setup thoroughly to ensure it works as expected and provide excellent customer support to handle any subscription-related issues. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively configure Paddle subscription management and streamline your recurring payments and customer subscriptions, allowing you to focus on growing your business and improving customer satisfaction.